Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll show you how to prepare our wall studs. On our styrofoam insulation, our wall studs fall behind this diamond line. In addition, the studs fall where the styrofoam pieces fit together. What we need to do is go through and remove any debris that will not allow our siding to lie flat. In addition, if there's any nails sticking out or little pieces of our old siding, we're going to want to remove those as well. Lastly, on our board right here, we had a little bit of moisture go through the siding and actually start to rot the wood behind it. So what we did was scrape away all of the rotted wood, and then we put a sealer on top of that to make sure that there was no more moisture that would get in and damage that. Now that our wall studs have been prepared, we're ready to inspect the insulation.